Welcome to this guided meditation. It's a short, structured rest for you. This is your time. There is nothing you need to do, nothing to figure out, nothing to hold on to. Structured rests are a different way from anything you may have tried for rest before. You don't have to try to relax. You don't have to try. Instead, you can simply allow things to be as they are. There is no right way to experience this. Take a slow, gentle breath in and let it fall out of you. Let your attention rest on your breathing. You don't have to change it. There's nothing to control. The breath will keep coming and going on its own. And now, let go of focusing on your breath. Bring your attention to the places your body is making contact with what you're sitting on or lying on. Let the surface beneath you hold more of your weight. Let it carry you so that you don't have to. Notice that you are listening to my voice. Notice that there are gaps between my words. Can you try listening to the gaps, to the spaces between the words? Know that there is no wrong way to be right now. Whether you feel unsettled or at ease, it's okay. You are here. That is enough. You deserve this care and this surrender. Perhaps after this guided meditation, it's time for something gentle and soothing. A warm drink, perhaps, or a reward for all the hard work you are doing on your recovery journey. By doing this meditation with me today, you are rewiring your neural pathways, shifting into a new vibrational level. And I want to thank you for this. Well done. This is Amari Love, and I'll see you next time.